This is Egyptian before, and it's a traditional gong. You know, you use this big one, to summon people, the weddings, the meetings. And the significance of this is made up of.
In France, we open in front of France.
Oh, there we go. Yes, please.
Oh, right, I know that. It's very
There's something video.
Thank you so much.
Video.
Thank you.
We got friends. And I'm so happy to meet the new husband. And wish you well. And we'll get together.
Thank you.
This is on the beginning.
We'll see you around.